This is behind the scenes. We're activating the slime for the video we're making, and I'm going to show you. I'm going to show you the behind the scenes process, because usually this is pretty funny. Just take out the other slime. Just put it somewhere. I'm just showing you this because we always have so many mess ups when activating slimes, and it's hilarious.
Okay, so
I want to show you guys. Do you guys see this?
And then we'll keep you on this video for a while, and then show you how we clean everything up and make it all pretty for the video, you know.
Want to see what's it's like inside slime? Pretty dark. Pretty dark. So this is the how we are so far.
Almost finished.
I'm gonna pause it and get back to you in a second. Alright, guys, it's been only like 10 seconds and this has happened. It's spilled everywhere, and it's like she's trying to fix it, but it's not cooperating.
No, I just hit the phone. It's okay though. It's not broken, right? Right.
It is. You just broke my phone. Thanks a lot, Lily. You're mean.
Yeah, you would have a heart attack if I actually did.
Oh my gosh, you broke my phone!
Oh, okay.
I remember one time we was doing this, we was going to make behind the scenes, and it didn't work.
Because you had a crappy phone.
A poopy phone. Yeah.
Poo-poo phone.
It's kind of going into jiggly slime.
Yep, I know. That's what it was supposed to do.
Oh.
Like straight.
Life of the slime.
See, like, this is for, it's supposed to, like, be a bunch of mess ups, you know?
That's why I have a behind the scenes channel.
Yeah, this is, like, if you're just watching this video once it's uploaded, yeah, go to Lily and More, because that's, like, our main channel, and then this is just our, like, kind of screwy page.
It's the behind the scenes random videos that I like uploading. I did a gotcha life video on here, which is really cringy, and I wish I didn't do it, but I did it because I had nothing better to do at 8:40 in the night. Currently, it's 9:49 p.m. We should be asleep a while ago, but instead we're trying to do this.
You already know.
Alright, so
now I'm just kind of cleaning up, like, the sides. Watch that be recording the whole time. I would. Guess what I'm going to do? I'm just going to be like...
It got some there.
It's okay.
You got holes in it.
How to be cringy 101.
How to be cringy 101. Slime.
Tastes like brains.
Be like Markiplier. Be like, pour the glue into your mouth and be like.
And then let your dog lick it too.
Yeah. Be like, you want some glue, don't you?
Okay.
Hooray! We have a successfully activated slime.
No, because this is not done yet.
Wait, I want to see what it's like inside here. Pretty
What a
nice.
surprise. Now wait. We have
There's
one
more
step to this process here. We have the
Oh no.
oh no process.
Oh no. Dun.
The process. The Alright, so then we go like this.
I like.
And then we just squeeze that activator.
It's a paradox. Alright, so Ta-da! That's how you successfully be a slime weirdo.
Okay, and then this is the cleanup. So pretty much what we do is we clean everything up. Like, we clean up the container because we want to be like cool kids with pretty containers, and we want to make it like Instagrammable children, you know? So pretty much then...
How to be cringy 101.
Okay. Enough. You're kind of being weird now.
I don't know how to play the slime correctly. So I'm like, am I doing it right? Okay. Am I doing it right?
Alright, see this spoon? That's the cleanest spoon you've ever seen in your life. Okay, no, we don't need to look at that.
What is that, Lily? What is that?
Okay, stop. Dude.
We're twins. We're twins. Yes, sir. She is she, and I am me. And that's when I pretend I'm her. And when we switch, you can't tell which is which. We can't get copyrighted if we sing it.
Okay. So pretty much what we do is we go like this, boom. Act like everything is okay with then we put this good slime.
Wait, what's the one thing where it's like this?
Here's the mother truckin' tea.
No. Here's the mother truckin' slime. I'm worried I'll break my camera. So I'm not doing that anymore. Alright, we might start the video in a second. So
and then we gotta clean up the activator on the table. Just our last little do here.
My favorite thing is how I got a new phone, and you guys don't get to see what it looks like.
Really? They could if they see like...
Here, that's what it looks like.
No, that's not viral.
No, this is what it looks like. Do you see the phone?
Oh yeah,
in the
yeah.
camera? That's my phone. I like my phone. It's cool. It costed me $100 of my own money, and I've been saving for years.
I thought you said something else, to be honest.
Smell that clean table.
Okay. See this pretty stuff? And then you just fix up this area here. Just go like
Lily,
this.
look at me. Lily, look at me. There's a spider on your shoulder.
No, there's not.
How do you know?
Because I'm not stupid and I would be like,
cooperating. It's cooperating.
okay. So, alright, you want to... Did you pause it?
I'm gonna go...
Do you want to, like, be in the background and be like, yeah, this is how we, like, do stuff?
Alright, so we're gonna show you just the ins and outs of our videos.
So, pretty much, we have the black slime back in here. And how pretty it is, how pretty our table is.
Making our video
Okay, so, pretty much this is the slime. It is a very
double camera action.
jiggly...
Hi. 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 Hi.
Yeah, there's a camera like here, and then there's a camera here. To see the other camera, you have to go to
my channel. Breeze the Golden Pikachu. That sounds really good.
Yeah, we might change that, but we don't really know.
I don't wanna. I've had that name for years.
Okay, then maybe we won't. But yeah, pretty much it's kind of overactivated, but it's jiggly slime. It's super heavy. You already know. It's really clicky though, and yeah, that's about it. And then we have 2 more slimes, which we will each do one.
Alright, I'm gonna do this one because I like fun. Alright.
Give me the crappy one.
How do you know it's crappy?
Because that one's better.
How do you know? Because I made them.
Oh, and I forgot to rate that one. So I rate the black thing, the instant snow. The instant snow.
Black thing.
The black instant snow.
Slime.
Butter slime. Like, I'll say, like, a 7.5 out of 10. So,
but crack.
Okay, so I'll just do the next one real fast. So this has silver glitters, blue glitters, and then whatever comes in, like, your blue glitter glue slime, you know? Like the little tiny confetti pieces or whatever. Oh, hey, there's a bead in this.
There is? How dare that bead come here?
Okay, but it's, like, really clicky. It's kind of jiggly. And it has good crunchy crunchiness, you know? So, I'll give this, like, a 9 out of 10.
Alright, my slime is a tiger phloem slime. It's kind of like, it's literally tiger colors. It's orange and black, and I think there's green in here. And it's just, I give it a 7 out of 10. I like phloem. It's not my favorite type of slime, but I like this slime. It's nice, and I like glitter, so.
I'm just going to kind of clean up this table a little bit.
Really?
Did you want to go over any slimes at all? Like, redo them?
No, I think. Alright, so I guess, is that bye?
Yeah, please. Thank you for watching.
Bye.
Please like,
subscribe,
and comment down below what you want to see more of. And comment down below your favorite song.
And to the people watching my behind the scenes channel, thank you. Subscribe, comment down below what type of challenges we should do next. I'll get them over to her and then we'll try to do them. We've been doing several weird challenges. We've even done the pause challenge. If you didn't see that, watch that on hers. And then you can watch it on my behind the scenes. Ta-da.
Alright, see y'all later. Bye.
Bye. It's gay.
Oh, shit.
I messed
I
up.
might want to turn that back on.
Why?
You made a slight mistake.
What? It's been on. Okay, wait. Guys, yeah, we just realized something a second ago. So, we was like, okay, imagine this is upside down and there's slime in it. So it was just like falling down and yeah,
It's like this.
Yeah, it was like that. And then the lid was on top and we was like,
it was like this, look.
And so we were like, and then we had to clean it all up. I forgot to press record. And so now it's official. Alright, thank you. Subscribe to the video. Bye!